Hello student, how to prepare for competitive exam? I will give you an idea. So focus on that and definitely you will get success. I am discussing here how many type of questions can be asked in organic chemistry we are discussing here, and complete preparation you have to do. Complete preparation will make you perfect, my child, and you have to go for it. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Now write down all the questions which I am showing you. Prepare keto-enol tautomer is one of the most important question. Enol content enolic form with region. Prepare biomolecule thoroughly. Okay, anomers, epimer, isoelectric point. You should know about all about amino acids, deuterion, and pH lower than pi, higher than pi, that is isoelectric point. Polysaccharides, epimer, glycosidic linkage, alpha beta linkage. Also you have to prepare phosphodiester linkage and RNA, DNA, purine, pyrimidine base. All these for 12th very important as well as for competitive exam. Reaction for with HiO4, all type of fissional diol. All name reaction mechanism intermediate you should know. Test for alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carbohydrate. Ozonolysis is very important. It is coming in 5 marks in board also, as well as in missing links it is there. Okay, so ozonolysis, oxidative and reductive, aldol cross aldol and Claisen summit condensation, Remer-Timon reaction, iodoform reaction, all type of name reaction you should know about it. Preparation for 12th board exam, all organic syllabus you have to do completely. Okay, now it is very easy, you can do it. And draw resonating structure of electron withdrawing group, electron donating group, because they can ask any question, any form. 5 resonating structure they will select and ask questions. Draw a alpha glycosidic linkage, beta glycosidic linkage, and compound which is having both alpha and beta glycosidic linkage with example. Isomerism you must prepare for competitive exam for 11th also. Structural and optical isomers and this stereoisomers. I am talking about only organic. Now you have to prepare reducing agent NaBH4, NaBD4, and solvent you have to use water, D2O. Sometimes they are giving CH3, CH2OH, so no need to worry about it. Or they can give H3O1 positive also. So this type of solvent they can give, but reducing agent they will select only this and this and this. Acid catalyzed dehydration, Markovnikov addition, GOC you have to prepare, carbocation, carbon ion, acidity, basicity, compare, biomolecule chemistry in everyday life, functional group present in it, and test amine, diazotization, missing link, must prepare comprehension type and matching type. Okay, here I have summarized everything. So accordingly you have to see what you have not prepared, do it. Chemistry in everyday life you must do because it give you short mark. And GOC, carbocation stability, all different type of question can be there. Halogen I have